Impromptunes, imprompt. Do you hear the people improvising?
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Impromptunes, the completely improvised musical podcast. Please give it up for your MC. Ladies and gentlemen, hello, it is I, Hollie James, back on Impromptunes, the completely improvised musical podcast. I have been away for a little while, so it's lovely to be back in the studio. And I'm here today with our company director, Emmet Nichols.
Hey everybody, I'm just taking a cute selfie of myself and a couple of new friends that maybe we haven't heard before.
Yeah, we've actually got, this is a great day. We've got some very exciting people in the studio.
And some special guests. I'm implying that you and I are exciting.
Oh gosh, this is going to be great. So first up, we have Joseph Naim. Hey Joe.
Hi guys.
Hey Joe.
Now, Joe is an esteemed music theatre performer in Australia, and Joe and I actually met, 7 years ago now in a production of Pippin.
Yes, we did.
So it's lovely to...
7 years ago, really?
Yeah.
Full circle.
Yeah.
And here we are, meeting every 7 years, as is our law.
So we'll just book you in for 7 years' time for another
Great, I'll put it in my diary.
podcast.
So little story I was recounting with Joe earlier was his getting into Impromptunes, where he auditioned, having done Pippin with you, Hollie, and you recommended, and Joe was like, I'm going to be perfect for this. And then he rocked up to the audition late because he had some other gig or something, and I was like really excited about you already.
Great.
Because Hollie was like, his voice is amazing. And then I was just like sitting on the audition panel, and I rarely do this, but like you were improvising this song, and you just you rocked up like an hour late, everyone else was all settled, and you just kind of came in, and I'm like, hey man, great to see you, are you okay? And you're like, yeah, let's just do it. And then he just busted out this epic voice, and I couldn't stop smiling. I was like, this is so unprofessional, but I was just like, this voice just makes me happy.
There's a lot of pressure on you to
I know, right?
show that voice
I'm
up.
rubbish tonight.
And,
I've gone downhill in 7 years, just so you know.
You
No
peaked,
way.
it's fine.
No, well, straight after that, Joe got into the 10 tenors, so I think that we weren't the only ones appreciating
Yeah,
So this is actually my first official impromptu show.
correctly.
7 years later, so good. And we have another special guest, a musician of
Well,
world
it's actually
renown.
not a special guest because we spoke about this earlier, and Kohan wants to be introduced as his first impromptus.
Then
Yeah.
this is how romantic.
It was quite romantic.
Well, and you've just given away the name.
I have.
It is,
Spoiler alert. We can retake this. if you
Kohan
want.
van Sambeek. Hello, Kohan. So it's such a treat. Old faces back, new faces in the studio, and we're going to do a podcast. So,
How did you like it when Hollie said you had an old face?
No, you're the old face,
Oh,
mate.
I'm the old face.
Thanks.
I see.
We get suggestions from you, our listeners, off the internet. That's Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. You can suggest your titles, and we're going to turn them into a musical. So I've got the Bowl of Destiny in front of me right now.
Which is being passed by the amazing Jake Leaney. Thank you for your ball passing expertise.
So I'm just rustling around now.
A lot of people drop the ball, but not Jake.
Carrots Parrots by Ryan Smith from Facebook. I'm just gonna it's carrots carrots parrots exclamation mark.
Carrots?
Carrots?
Parrots!
I'm sorry, I gave the parrots a question, but that's not at all what is written. I've got to honour Ryan's suggestion there. Thank you, Ryan, for your suggestion on Facebook.
What a legend.
Cohen, Joe, Emmet, are you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Cohen's smiling. Then Impromptunes presents for the first, last, and only time. Carrots?
Carrots?
Parrots!
What's up, Doc? What's up, Captain? What's up, Bosun? What's up, Cabin Boy?
What's up, deckhand? What's up, crow's nest human? What's up, swisher swasher? What's up, cook?
What's up with all me mateys on the deck? Looking out across the sea. Oh, I can see. I see land.
Land ho, it's off to land we go.
for about 7 months.
I haven't seen land for about 7 months. We've been together the whole time.
I haven't seen land for, maybe 7 months.
We've been on the boat together.
Land ho, it's off to land we go. Land ho, it's off to land we go. Land ho, it's off to land we go. Land ho,
It's off to land we
It's
go.
off to land we go.
Off to land we go.
When I get to land, I'm going to make an angel in the sand.
When I get to land, I'm going to run.
When I get to land, I'm going to sing from the highest mountain.
All those hills will be alive. Land ho,
it's off to land we go. Land ho, it's off to land we go. Land ho, it's off to land we go. Land ho, it's off to land we go.
land ho.
Hi, Captain! I've pulled down the mail.
She's drowned, Captain. Quick, save her! Save her!
Ah, she's too far gone. Let her go.
Captain, I pulled down the mainsail.
Aye.
Oh, she's still breathing, Captain. She's underwater.
Get back, One-Eyed Pete.
Oh.
Captain, as I was saying.
Two-eyed Jane, you fucked me again with your correct vision. I couldn't see you coming with my one eye.
I pulled down the mainsail. We're ready to hit land.
I was going to say that. Oh, no, I'll leave you to it.
Get back.
Once we get to land, we have to look for the treasure.
But Captain, every time you say, we're going to get the treasure, we never find it. And then we go to sea for another 7 months and we still don't find treasure.
Ah, yes, but this time we have the magic carrots.
Oh.
What actually makes you think that these carrots are going to lead us to the treasure?
Because once we have the carrots in our hand, we place them onto the magic sundial and the carrots will point us to the treasure.
Captain, what is it with this lifelong quest of yours to find treasure? Why can't you let it go? Why must you travel to every corner of the earth with magic carrots needing to go on a sundial?
When I was a boy, my father put me on a ship, and he said to me, son, he had a very high voice, you see, son, he said to me, you must travel the world and travel the sea till you get to the treasure, and the treasure will lead you back to me. So I must find the treasure to find my father, 'cause he was taken from me from a mad, crazy octopus from the sea. So you see, it's time to find the treasure. Won't you join me? Help me find the treasure. Help me find the treasure with the magic carrots. Help me find the treasure.
Help you find the treasure. Help you find the treasure with the magic carrots. Help you find the treasure.
Now, once we get to the land, me mateys, you will be in charge of holding the carrots.
Me?
Yes, you.
With my one eye?
Yes, with your one eye. Because with your one eye you have more focus.
Yes, and 2 hands to hold the carrots, 1 in each.
What am I gonna hold?
You can hold the parrot.
Parrots?
I'll help you find the treasure.
I'll help you find it. I'll help you find the treasure.
Help me find
With
the
a parrot
treasure.
on my shoulder.
With the carrots in my hand.
I'll help you find the treasure.
I'll help you find the treasure.
I'll help you find the treasure.
With 2 carrots in my hands.
And a parrot on your shoulder.
We'll help you find the treasure.
I'll help you find the treasure.
Help me find the treasure.
Help you find the treasure.
Help me find the treasure.
Help me find the treasure. Carrots
Help me
and parrots in
find the
hand.
I'll help you find the treasure. Help you find the treasure. Help you find the
Carrots in my hand. Help you find the treasure. Oi, Squirmy.
Yes.
Ever since we split into 2 half octopuses, I've been missing you.
Wormy, I've been missing you too.
Oh, I know. Let's try and get back together like we always do. 1, 2, 3. No, one of my tentacles getting harder, but they've no other changes.
Sorry.
Oh, Squirmy, why did we ever split in half?
Oh, Wormy, it's weird. Are we even called an octopus if we're only got 4 tentacles now?
Just 2 quadropuses. Although you prefer tentapus, don't you?
I do.
Yeah. See, I prefer quadropus, but you prefer either Greek or Latin. I can never remember tetrapus.
I do feel more together when I'm with you, though, Wormy.
Yeah, I know. It's just like the old days, innit?
When I was an octopus, my suckers sailed the sea.
Hey, when I was an octopus, Squirmy, you were me. And when I was an octopus, every day was full with ink.
When I was an octopus, gosh, did I really stink.
But these forearms don't do any harm to anyone anymore.
These forearms are destined to squirm along.
Oh, these forearms, they won't do any harm to anyone at all.
But tentapus, I am and will stay.
Did you say tentapus?
I did.
So why did you choose to change tetrapus to tentapus? Is it because you're quite tent-like? Or because you're so intense? Or is it because you've got 10 arms and you're holding out on me?
I wish I had 10 arms.
Oh boy.
'Cause that is more than 4.
If I was a decapus, I would be so much more.
If I was a dodecapus,
Oh my
I'd have an arm for
dodecapus.
doing everything I want.
But a hexadecapus, I'd be twice the one that I was. But damn it, these forearms won't do any harm to anyone at all.
These forearms are leaving me sad.
Oh, these forearms won't do any harm to anyone at all.
But a tetrapus
Or
I
a-
am and will stay.
That's defeatist, that is. A quadropus. No, no, no way.
Octopus, you are and you will stay.
No, 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 no. I'll be an octopus. I will be a great mate with 8.
But you've only got 4 arms, Squirmy, so how?
I'll have 8 forearms.
And
8 top arms.
You've
I'll
got
have
to
8 palms and 8 fingers.
These forearms
of everything.
are all you've got for
Before
now.
the week is through, I'll have 8 arms, and I'll do all the harm to everyone at all. We just have to believe,
I can't believe.
and you're on your
I'll stay. Well, Captain, here we are. The sundial.
Hey, quickly, put the carrots on top of the sundial.
I'm on it.
Good on you, One-Eyed Pete.
Thank you. 1, 2.
Captain, One-Eye Pete, stop singing. They're glowing.
Look, they're casting a shadow across the trees.
It's like a sundial of darkness.
Oh, quickly, look at Priscilla Parrot. She's flying towards the trees.
Oh my god, it's pointing right to that bit of sea over there.
A bit of sea, but we just came from the sea.
I know, it's pointing us back out there. And the surface is all inky and bubbling.
Captain,
Maybe the treasure isn't on the land.
Maybe it's a pen. The treasure's a pen, and it's leaking ink.
Quickly,
Maybe.
back to the ship. We need to follow Priscilla Parrot out to the sea and see what that ink substance is.
Captain, we're honing in your dream.
Hey, One-Eyed Pete. Oh, it's been a long time coming. On the ship back out to sea, I've dreamed of this day for many years. And now it's here.
It's here, Captain. We're here already. That was a shorter trip than we expected.
It was pretty quick. I've got a pretty fast ship, One-Eyed Pete.
the water's all bubbly and black. What are we supposed to do?
Who dares come into my domain?
Hey, what is that?
I'm an 8-armed octopus, but you'll only ever see 4 at a time because I move them so fast and the other 4 are always underwater.
Oh, Captain, what do we do? A 4-armed secret octopus.
Fear for your lives.
Oh, Captain.
Do-Eye Jane, this reminds me of what happened to my father.
What?
This reminds me of a pirate that we had a very good time with all those years ago.
It is you.
Yes, I'm exactly as fearsome as I was before, so don't you dare come near. Your father took one clean, mean swipe at me, and sure, I was injured, but he's never been seen again, has he?
What do you want from us?
I want you to get yours gone. This is my territory, and the treasure is all mine. I'm the king of the sea, that's me. I am an octopus. I'm the king of the sea, and you two are a pair of I own the land, and if you cross me, then things'll get out of hand. 'Cause I'm the king of the sea. Don't you cross me?
Oh.
I am the king of the sea. Your future is looking inky. If you come any closer, no sir, you'll regret that you were born. 'Cause I am the king of the sea, and I've got it going on. son.
He's the Sing of the Sea, King and Sing of the
That's
Sea.
right, and you know what else? I am the ring of the sea, the octopus ring.
Oh,
I'll do whatever I want, and that is anything.
oh,
And I wear the bling of the sea. I wear it so emphatically. When you see a sparkly thing, that's me. Do you know why? Because I'm the cha-ching of the sea. I'm fully loaded. The treasure underneath is mine, and I own it.
woo, woo, woo.
And I am the Ming of the sea. I can own things from the Ming dynasty.
Oh,
And if you come near me, you'll break like a vase.
woo, woo.
Because I am the bring of the sea. If you come to me, I will come 3 times as many times as you.
Oh, woo, 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 woo.
And I am the ting of the sea. And I am the ding of the sea. Because I play in the orchestra triangoli. And I'm not the wing of the sea. I have a fear of heights. If something talked me up there, I would get quite a fright. No, I'm not no wing of the sea. I have a fear of being aviary. But I am the king. Yes, I am the king of the sea. Sea. King of the sea.
Captain!
Aye.
Now, I don't want you to be alarmed, but I went for a snorkel while that octopus was singing. He's only got 4 legs.
It was a very long song too, Jane. I'm here.
He's only got 4 legs.
Aye. Only 4 legs.
I saw 4 legs, but I've only got 1 eye, so I figured that I was just seeing half of them.
No, there's really only 4. I went under and there was only 4. We can take this. Well, it's not even an octopus, is it? It's a tetrapus.
Well, it could be a quadropus.
It could be.
Depends on the derivation of his new classification.
Well, if he's only got 4, then there must be another 4 out there.
Good point. And he mentioned that your dad sliced him. Do you reckon that's what done it?
Well, maybe that's why he's mad at me.
He did seem very cross.
Maybe, just maybe, he wants to have 8 legs once again.
What? Oh, yeah. That's like me. I wish I had 2 eyes. I've only got 1. Captain, if you...
But I, Pete, this is not about you.
Oh. I'll just go back to sleep.
Priscilla Parrot,
Good night. Good night.
where are those magic carrots?
I think she's saying they're under her wings.
I think if we feed the magic carrots to the octopus, maybe they will become one again. There's 2 of them and there's 2 carrots.
But how are we going to find the other half of the octopus? Wait a minute.
What's that, Priscilla Parrot?
Ross, is she saying I think that she can go and find her? Go forth, Priscilla Parrot. Find the other half of the octopus.
Fly, swim, Priscilla Parrot.
Oh, how dare you come to Mermaid Lagoon, Swishy.
Squirmy.
Oh, fuck. How dare you come to Mermaid Lagoon, Squirmy? How dare you interrupt our sunbathing? Oh, Agriel, aren't we so beautiful and relaxed here at Mermaid Beach?
We're so relaxed.
Oh, please. I just want to hang out. I feel a bit lost. I said I was going to leave Wormy and now I've got nowhere to... And you guys are so pretty.
Yes, we are, aren't we, Agriel?
We are so pretty,
It's beautiful, yes. And look at you, all tentacly. I mean, sure, you cut off half of your legs, which is an improvement, sure, but you're still twice a freak. You've got 4 times as many legs as we do. Swish, swish, swish.
Oh, why have you got to be so mean?
Because being beautiful comes with meanness.
It's what we do.
I could be beautiful. Couldn't you show me how?
Agriel, do you think it's possible?
Oh, I think we could, Happy Larry.
Oh. Ooh, my.
My.
Take it away, Agriel.
Oh. We can show you things you've never seen.
We can show you things that'll make you feel peachy clean.
So clean. We have all of the things to make you want to scream.
We can make your living nightmare into a wet dream. Splish splash, we're gonna give you a makeover. Splish splash, this is a mermaid takeover. Splish splash, splish splash, splish splash. Splish splash, we're gonna give you a makeover. Splish splash, this is a mermaid takeover. Splish splash, splish splash, splish splash. Let's start with your eyes. They need a little something to, make them zimmer.
Yes, then we'll move to your arms, 'cause there's so many of them.
Then we'll move to your ink pad. Have you thought of something purple?
Woo!
Yes, we can make you so pretty.
Splish splash, we're gonna give you a makeover. Splish splash, this is a mermaid takeover. Splish splash, splish splash, splish splash. Splish splash, this is a mermaid takeover. Splish splash, this is a mermaid takeover. Splish splash, splish splash, splish splash.
Oh, ladies, I look so beautiful.
Well, a better.
Thank you so much. I mean, it's almost like a...
Oh, what is that?
Oh my god! Hey, a half parrot, half octopus. It's picked her up and is carrying her away.
Thank you so much.
Well, looks like it wasn't a mermaid takeover at all.
Not at all, Happy Larry.
It was a parrot takeover. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pick up. This was a parrot takeover. Pick up. This was a parrot takeover. Pick up. Pick up. Pick up.
What is your name?
Squirmy.
Squirmy.
Why am I out of the water? You're ruining my makeover I just had.
Squirmy, we're gonna help you if you help us.
I've just woken up. Oh my god, what a beautiful half octopus.
Hello.
Hello, I'm One-Eyed Pete.
Hi, One-Eyed Pete.
But this is a really good looking half octopus, don't you think?
Hey,
It's uncanny.
she must have been down at Mermaid Lagoon.
Ah, yes. Anyway, back to my nap.
All right, Captain. We've got both halves of this crustacean creature.
Oh, I just woke up from my nap. Technically not a crustacean, but an invertebrate. But anyway, I'm far too scared to go back into the water. It's been 7 months, right, Two-Eyed Jane? I wouldn't possibly go back in.
It's 7 months. We've got to do it. It's now or never. We've got the magic carrots. We've got the 2 pieces of the octopi.
I think we've got to talk to this half octopus and see if she won't convince this other half to join forces with us.
All right, well, let's chuck her in the water then. Ah! Splash.
What are you doing it? Squirmy,
It's I.
is that you?
Yeah, I know it's hard to tell. My ink pads have had a makeover.
You look gorgeous. But I'm still mad at you.
You wanted me to leave.
Well, I wanted us to go together.
Why didn't you just say so, Wormy?
I never had the words. I only had legs for you. And I never had words until this moment. Boo-boo-boo. I never had words. Boo-boo-boo. I never had words. Sorry, I'm drowning. Until now.
Hold my tentacle.
Oh my god, it's connected.
Oh, Wormy, I wanted to talk to you.
Look, that captain's not all bad that's up there.
Yes, he is.
He's not.
He's just like his father in the treasure chest down below.
You've kept him in there all this time.
Well oxygenated. It's a complex system that I'll explain to you some other time.
He said
But it's mainly tubes.
He said if we eat these carrots, he's going to give us the carrots, then we'll be one again. And then maybe you could give him his dad back.
To be one with you. That leaves me speechless.
Captain, we're ready. Bring in the carrots.
You dog, you better not betray us.
Aye. Do you have me, father?
Yes, he's in a complicated series of breathing apparatus in a treasure chest under the sea.
Bring the chest on deck.
Bring me the carrots.
One-eyed Pete, go fetch the carrots.
Oh, well, I just woke up from my nap. Well, okay, yeah, I'll get rowing. That guy seems useless. He's always sleeping.
Priscilla the parrot, jump down and get the chest. She's very strong.
Oh my god.
Splash. Psh, psh, psh.
Well done, Two-Eye Jane.
Why is he so important to you? In my experience, people who matter tend to leave you. But then I suppose when they come back...
Here comes Priscilla Parrot with the treasure chest.
And here comes One-Eyed Pete with the carrots.
All right. On the count of 3, Wormy, let's eat these carrots real good.
1,
2,
2, 3. Nom 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 nom.
Chop, chop.
Aye. They're floating in the air.
I've always been afraid of flying, Squirmy, until this moment.
Don't be afraid, I'm with you.
I got confused between whether you were wormy or squirmy because look
we're
what this round
we're one
octopus.
One-eyed Pete, look. They're becoming one.
Oh, what's it? Yeah. Oh, yeah, I'm glad I could help out. I'll just be napping in the longboat.
Captain, here's the key. The chest is ready to be opened.
Hey, here goes nothing.
Son!
Dad!
Son!
Dad?
Son!
You're very wrinkly.
Yes, I've been underwater for the last 7 months.
Dad, I've missed you.
I've missed you too, Captain. I wish I had given you a name.
No, I'm like Shared, just Captain.
It's good to see you again.
It's good to see you too, Dad.
Oh, she's beautiful, this is.
It just feels right when we reunite.
Squirmy Wormy the octopus.
Oh yeah, Josh, it's me.
Well, it's great you still got 2 mouths. You can talk at the same time.
Yes.
We're so happy to be one octopus.
Great, gotta work on that one brain, though.
I agree, but there's nothing like coming back together. Fuck. To make you there's nothing like coming back together to make you feel whole again, son.
You know what the real treasure is?
What's that, son?
Togetherness.
I couldn't have put it better. I've been sitting underwater for the last 7 months, and I couldn't have put it better.
We are here at the end of the sea. We are here, happy as can be. We've come a long way to be here today. But now we're together, hey, hey.
We've come a long way, travelled near and far. We've travelled on a ship, not in a car.
And I am here as well.
Hey, Pete.
I could fall asleep, but not with all that's going on. Togetherness is the weather's best. It is more or less just the greatest thing in the world. And when we're together, we can set sail forever. We can weather the storm. We've got it going on. We can weather the storm together.
Hey.
We can weather the storm forever. When we're together, we can go anyway. We can weather the storm together. We can weather the storm together.
Yes, we can.
We can weather the storm forever. And when we're going strong, we have got it going on. We can weather the storm together. Octopus. We can weather the storm together.
Sing with me, Dad.
We can weather the storm forever.
One-eyed Pete, two-eyed Jane.
We can weather the storm forever.
Take it away, Priscilla Parrot.
We can weather the storm forever.
We can weather the storm forever.
We can weather the storm together. We can weather the storm together.
It's the Mermaids.
We can weather the storm forever.
Hey.
And when we've got it going on, we can go on all so strong. We can weather the storm. We can weather the storm. We can weather the storm.
Together. Ladies and gentlemen, that was Carrots, Carrots, Parrots. Thanks so much to Ryan Smith for the title. We absolutely loved it.
And I did a little bit of researching during the overture and found out that Ryan Smith is actually part of a group, or the last show was Creatures of the Deep.
Well, I hope Ryan
how
feels like we
appropriate.
honoured that suggestion with Carrots, Carrots, Parrots.
So Ryan's group is last picked for sport, if you want to look it up.
Genuinely did not know that before we got into that.
Yeah, how cool. Inception.
So thank you so much. A big shout out to Kohan van Sambeek for his first podcast with Impromptunes. Yeah.
First of many.
And a big shout out to Joe, who we finally, after 7 years, got to do a show with Impromptunes.
Yeah.
Joe, how was it after all this time doing an improvised musical with us?
Great fun. Yeah, you guys are awesome. It's just so good to.
It was super fun.
We're thrilled to have you.
Again.
Yeah.
And Emmet, obviously good to have you in the studio.
Obviously, yeah. No, it's been good.
I'm still a bit sad that I said off to work we go in the first.
What? Please don't draw any further legal attention to that potential legal issue. But you know what? Whatever happens, we can make it through.
Because we're all in this together.
We're all in this.
No, copyright!
We can weather the storm together. We can weather the storm forever. When we've got it going on, that's when we get really strong. We can weather the storm.
Cohen.
We can weather the storm.
Joe.
We can weather the storm.
Emmet. And Hollie.
Together.